Hey, look what I found. An Austin Cambridge. Last time I saw one was in Ipoh, my hometown. In the 80s. It was used as taxis, a few of them in Ipoh. So now in Kandy, I met this car and this proud owner and this very nice Kandy resident. Hello sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you born?
I born.
It's a very nice car you have here. And what year is it? The car is what year?
1967.
1967, and the engine is original.
Not original.
Okay.
Changing Toyota engine.
Oh, it's now using a Toyota engine. Okay, but originally
Recent type.
Nissan.
Recent.
Oh, recent.
Diesel.
Change the diesel engine original.
Not petrol, gasoline.
Used original engine. Recent time change.
Oh, only recently you changed the engine to a Toyota engine, yeah? Okay.
52 years old.
Wow, yeah. So the steering wheel is a Toyota Supra. It's a Supra.
Changing power
Steering.
steering. Power steering.
Yeah, power steering is nicer. And he raised the ride height because of the some of the roads in around Sri Lanka. You need to raise your ride height, you know, to have a better ground clearance. So look at that, Austin Cambridge, nice. Okay, may I look at the engine just for a few seconds? Thank you so much. And that's Wellington. Just now he was my guide. Wow, look at that. It fits so nicely. It looks like original in the car, like from the factory, like this.
Same brake,
Okay.
What's the displacement? How many cc?
2000 cc.
2000 cc. No.
Original engine capacity 1.5 engine.
Yeah, originally the Austin engine is 1.5 liters, 8 valve,
The change Toyota engine
2000
2000 cc.
cc. Is there
The
turbo?
old one, the old engine or the 52 years old one, no power and
Yeah. Is there turbo charging here? No.
power base.
No. Okay. All right. Interesting. Austin Cambridge, man. My father would be excited to see this car. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.